guys, today I have my Not PR Boxyluxe for the month of December. It's just going to be a quick unboxing. A lot of the products are similar to my PR, but I wanted to show you guys especially the ones that are different. So we're going to go ahead and jump in. And this month it was the Winter Luxe. This will be my last Luxe box for some time. If you've seen some of my previous videos, I went ahead and talked about how I am actually canceling my own subscriptions. My PR ones I will still be unboxing, but I just need to kind of take a step back. Anyways, so let's go ahead and jump in. First thing in here is the Ofra Cosmetics On The Glow Pro palette. If I'm not mistaken, I think this was my choice, and I'm just so excited to have this. Ofra's highlighters and face products are amazing, and look at this. Oh, it's like all of them in one. I am so excited to use them. I wish that the names were actually like on the palette itself, because this with the names is actually like a plastic overlay, which is going to be annoying to keep taking off and on, but that is what it looks like. I think I might just completely leave it off because the names are on the back, but it would have been nice to have them here. You know, I don't know, I really like when the names are on the actual palette itself, but look how gorgeous that is. And I actually own Rodeo, which is this one right here, in a single form. So I might just get rid of the single form and keep this beautiful palette and give away maybe the Rodeo to a family member who can use it, so that way I don't have a duplicate. But beautiful, beautiful palette. It is pretty big though, so we'll see. We'll see. But this is, holy crap, this is $149. Oh my god. I know like highlighters by themselves are pretty pricey, but wow. Wow. Okay, next thing in here is the ViseArt Seamless Setting Powder. I don't remember, I want to say this wasn't my second choice. I don't remember, to be honest. I know I had two choices for the Boxyluxe, but now I can't. I just broke a nail. Great. Anyways, this is basically a translucent powder. I've never heard of anything about ViseArt's actual translucent powders. I know their eyeshadows are really nice, but just a white translucent powder. So we'll be testing this baby out and seeing if I like it or not. And that one is worth $35. The rest of the things I'm just gonna fire through because they are from my PR one, so they're duplicates for me. First up is the Kat Berkey Vitamin C Intense Face Cream. This is $116. The packaging is very similar to La Mer, and I'm not sure like if this brand is new or if anyone knows like about it. I really have never heard anything about it, but the packaging looks high-end and the cream is very, very thick. It's just like a white, super, super thick cream. Next up is the Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. This is one of those peel-off masks. It's black, and I'm going to be trying it out. I already got one in my PR and am dying to try it out. A lot of you guys were giving me tips on how to apply them, because when I peel it off, I always have like chunks everywhere left. So I am going to do some of the tips that you guys told me, like to do an extra thick layer and let it dry and see if like the whole thing peels off. So we'll see about that. And that is worth $69. The LaRousse brushes, a lot of people were asking me if these were full size, and they are full size. I love the fact that it comes with like a travel cup, or you could actually use this on your vanity if you want to, just like leave this with the brushes. And these brushes are really, really nice quality. The next thing in here is by Pharmacy. This is the Honeymoon Glow Body. I'm gonna go ahead and give this one to my mom and keep the other one. This has a resurfacing serum. It has a really strong honey smell to it, but this is really good for smoother skin in rough areas. For example, your knees, your elbows, your feet. And yeah, so I would definitely wear this at night because the smell is like really, really strong. It has like a really strong honey smell, and it's more of like a liquidy serum for the body, but it does contain these acids in it to help soften skin. So if you have any areas that you need help with, this would be like perfect serum to apply to the body. Next thing in here is the Pure Fully Charged Mascara. I got this in my PR as well. This is $22, and I will be giving this one away just because like I said in my other video, I just have an excessive amount of products. Right now I have like 20 something mascaras open. I only have 2 eyeballs, you know what I mean? And it's part of the reason that I'm canceling. It's not because the boxes aren't good or I don't enjoy the products or stuff like that. It's just because I have just way too much in my collection. So yeah, so this is worth $22. And likewise, the Persona, this is the eyeliner in 24-hour black. I hate the fact that companies always say like 24 hours, 18 hours. I would just prefer them, you know, I know it's a marketing point, but it's kind of annoying sometimes because you're just like, really? It's gonna last 48 hours and I'm gonna be able to sleep through it. Okay, so this is worth $14 and it's supposed to wear for 24 hours. We shall see, because I'm always searching for like a great black liner that stays in my waterline and does not budge. As always, I will put the total value around here. I think that this box is amazing. I love the Ofra palette. I can't believe how expensive it is, but their products are really great, so I can't wait to use that. I feel like for being my Luxe box, my Not PR, I think it's a really great box. There's a good variety of like skincare with makeup and good brands as well, like the Visart, the Ofra, Persona, Pharmacy. The LaRousse brushes are really nice as well. So even Pure Cosmetics, I think the only ones that I didn't really know are Aesology and Kat Berkey. But other than that, everything in here are brands that are really highly recognizable and really nice quality as well. Like I said before, this will be my last one for a little bit, and yeah, so we'll see when I resubscribe and where my channel will be going from here. But I thank you guys so much for those who stick around. Thank you guys so much for always like giving me support, watching, liking, commenting. I try to get back to comments whenever I get a free chance. I try to go through my comments and at least heart them or, you know, write you a little something back. So thank you guys so much for the support, for everything. If you're not subscribed and want to see more beauty videos, and my channel will have less unboxings going forward, but if you want to see beauty videos in general, definitely subscribe. I do have social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.